Hello, everyone. Hello, and please accept my apologies for being late today. I had some technical difficulties. Technical difficulty meaning I couldn't find my t-shirt or my lipstick. But I'm so happy to be here with you now. Today in the United States is Indigenous Peoples Day, replacing Columbus Day as a national holiday. It is not observed federally yet, but we're hoping that states start to adopt this one by one, as they have, as municipalities have. In Canada, where someone very special that I'm going to be highlighting today is from, is Thanksgiving Day. So that is another holiday that is problematic for Indigenous people here in the Americas because it celebrates colonization and mass genocide. And it's something that, while it is a very ugly observance, just not to mince words, it is an opportunity for us to talk about our real shared history and how we can move forward with love, compassion, and justice for all people. So for today's meditation, I'm doing something a little bit different. First of all, I want to share that I'm wearing a shirt by a beautiful creator, a woman of color, on Instagram. And I put the link for this shirt in my video description so you can grab that. And I am sharing a post by my dear, dear friend, Asha Frost, who is an Indigenous medicine woman. Her name is Healing Rainbow Medicine Woman, and it was given to her by her grandfather. And for today's meditation, I'm going to be sharing a post from her, and I'm going to read from it for you. So I'm going to be looking down on my screen, but it doesn't matter because you're going to be focusing on something else or having your eyes closed during this meditation. I am so excited to bring this to you today. I love sharing the work of people that I care about. And just a reminder, everything I talk about is going to be linked in the video description, including the link for Asha to follow her on Facebook. And I encourage you to join her Sacred Medicine Circle, which is a beautiful group where I have gained so much insight, wisdom from Asha, from the other group members. It's a really fantastic, fantastic group that I am so proud to share with you today. So a reminder, links to connect with me, Asha, and also to buy my t-shirt are all in the video description. I'm trying to find a way. I'm sitting in front of a chair trying to get situated. Deep breaths now, deep breaths. During meditation, you not only have the opportunity to connect with yourself, but in connecting with yourself, you have the opportunity to connect with all that is. The shared consciousness, the collective. All souls who are certainly intentionally tapping into that quiet space, that silence that doesn't necessarily mean no noise, but that silence that allows us to listen to our heart, our inner wisdom, our inner God wisdom, and then also to listen to the wisdom of others that is floating through the ether, that is floating through time. So we are drawing the past, the wisdom of our ancestors forward in these moments. And then also reaching into the future and asking how we might be of better service, how we might be better and do better in this world. So take a deep breath with me and absorb all of that. The intention to connect with yourself and with others. Inhale. Exhale, release. Acknowledging your breath as life force, as drawing in energy, lighting yourself up, and then releasing all that doesn't serve you, and then also love and good messages for the world, for your siblings on this planet. Inhale. Exhale, release. creating a space, a vessel for consciousness and wisdom to enter, creating room for growth, for new knowledge. Breathing does all of that. Breathing does all of that. So use the next few moments to just wiggle and shift into your comfortable seat, whatever feels good. Your eyes might still be open, and that's fine. Pick a point across the room or on the floor in front of you, right past the tip of your nose to place your gentle focus upon. Or close your eyes and go inward, removing any and all visual distractions in your space. Bring your attention to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales, your breath, your life force, as it is in this moment. Recognizing it as a way of your body communicating where you are. So, fast and shallow, slow and deep, it's of no matter. Your breath is perfect for this moment. So, like promised, I'm going to read to you from a post by my dear friend Asha Frost, Healing Rainbow Medicine Woman. She shared this on Facebook, and the link is in the description. So when you're done, please visit that. She uses words from her language that I am not going to dare attempt. So you can go there and read them and absorb them and all the energy of them for yourself. Asha's words. In our Anishinaabe ways, we speak about the 7 grandfather teachings. I want to share them in my language, as when I speak these in Ojibwe, I hear my ancestors, the wise ones, all gathering around, all holding space, reminding me to come back to the earth, to the oneness that exists everywhere. And I'm sharing in English for you now. Wisdom. May you remember the inherent divine wisdom within you. The wisdom that is constantly awakening. The wisdom that has been with your soul for lifetimes. There is power in your wisdom. Remember. Humility. May you remember that you and all of those around you are a sacred part of creation, connected to the stars, the moon, the animals, the plants, the water. You are just as beautiful as sacred. See this same sacredness in all of those you encounter today, and we shall all rise together. Love. May we all come back to love. When we see the world through the eyes of love, deep healing can happen. Let us commit to love, loving ourselves first and foremost. This shall ripple out to the earth. bravery. May you be brave with your words, voice, and actions, following through on how the world needs you to show up. Honesty. May you be able to take an honest look at your thoughts, your interactions, your relationships. May you be able to make changes when necessary, always moving towards growth and evolution. Truth. May you align with what is truthful for you and speak it when the time is right. May you be able to hold space for another's truth when it is shared with bravery, love, and respect. And finally, respect. May you remember the holiness of your own sacred spirit and body, and treat yourself with the utmost respect. May this ripple outwards to every person you meet and every interaction you may have. Wisdom, humility, love, bravery, honesty, truth, respect. Asha asks us, I try to walk these every single day. Will you join me? And I reiterate that request, that question, that challenge. Will you join me? Will you join me in honoring yourself and others, in seeing and believing the true lived experiences of others, in sharing honestly and bravely your truth and your true lived experiences with others? Will you do that? Returning to your breath, returning to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales that have served you so well during this meditation. Returning to the knowledge that you are safe in this moment and you are so capable of shining your light and spreading light in the world. Returning to all of that, returning to love, returning to your physical space, feeling sensation, returning to your fingertips and your toes, allowing your breath to wake you up to this moment, to the consciousness of your physical presence. And slowly, slowly, with your breath, allowing your eyes to regain focus, to flutter open, and come back to this space. Thanks to all of you who have joined me live here and who are watching in replay. These meditations are offered in replay on IGTV and my YouTube channel. Find links for connecting with me on Facebook and for connecting with Asha and for picking up this amazing shirt in my video description. I say this at the end of almost all of my meditations and my videos 3 times to affirm it, to really make it real for you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for showing up for me. It inspires and compels me to show up for you. I'll see you soon.